So in this video I will tell you how to make a weight control reels on Instagram. So either you can make this for Instagram stories or for your Instagram reel. So I will show you for a reel one. Here you can see, open your Instagram reels and click on effect, and here I have saved this filter. I will click on this one. So I will tell you how can you get this filter. So you need to press and hold on this circle. Here you can see, it is 81 kg. Okay, so I will click on audio. Here you can see, and I have saved the audio here. So this is music for this filter. So I will select this one and you can post it. So I will also add music and a filter link in my video description. You can get it. So here you can see the reel is posted. Go to my reel section, and here you will find the audio and a filter both from here. You can see the by clicking on this weight control you can go to a filter. By clicking on audio you can go to a audio. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.